Ever wondered what it would be like to carry a professional microscope in your pocket? Introducing the iMicro Q3p, a revolutionary 1200 by polarizing fingertip microscope that fits in the palm of your hand. This tiny yet powerful device brings optical performance comparable to a pro-polarizing microscope, but with the convenience and simplicity you need for everyday exploration. With 1200 by magnification, the iMicro Q3p lets you see the world in ways you've never imagined. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or scientist, this fingertip microscope unlocks hidden details right from your camera phone. Why carry a heavy, expensive microscope when the iMicro Q3p gives you the same high-quality optical performance, but in a lightweight, portable design? And the best part? The iMicro Q3p works with any camera phone. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, just clip it on and start exploring instantly. It's perfect for on-the-go discovery. Take it anywhere and see the micro world around you, from the intricate textures of nature to the hidden structures of everyday objects. Ready to take your curiosity to the next level? Get your iMicro Q3p today and unlock a whole new world of exploration right at your fingertips. iMicro Q3p. Discover more, explore more. Order now at the link down below in the description and start seeing the unseen.